Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to set trading password in KuCoin account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in kucoin.com and click on enter. You need to make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, at the top navigation bar of the screen, at the right hand side of your corner, you will see your profile section. Hover your mouse to it and you will see different options here. Now find account security option and click on it. After that, scroll down a little and you will see advanced settings tab. Under it you will see trading password. Now click on the settings button here. After that, you need to verify using your email. Click on send button here and verification code will be sent in your email. After that, open your email. You will see a verification code like this. Simply copy this and paste it here. Now click on OK button. After that, type in your trading password here. Transaction passwords are created for transaction withdrawal and API creation. So you need to save your password somewhere that you do not forget it. After typing your password, you need to click on confirm button here. So that is how you can set your trading password in KuCoin account. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.